video. ¿Quieren aprender a tejer? Do you want to learn how to knit? Come join us today. Entonces van a necesitar sus agujas de tamaño de los Estados Unidos. Utilizamos tamaño 8 o 7-8, pero también se conocen como 4.5 milímetros. Siempre puedes ver ahí en la aguja donde tienen escrito el número. And for the yarn y el estambre que quieren usar debería ser de peso medio. So the yarn that you want to use is going to be worsted weight. It's a little bit thicker, so this will be good weight for you to start with, and these will be a good size. Now that we have our 20 stitches cast on, I'm going to tell you a story about knitting that will help you to remember them. When I was a little girl, my grandma had a farm, and on her farm, she had some sheep. In the spring, those sheep would have their baby lambs, and the baby lambs would get caught under the fence. And so they would have to get the shepherd's hook, the one that looks like this, to help grab those sheep and pull them back under the fence. And so a good way to remember how to knit is to imagine like we're pulling those sheep back under the fence. So let's imagine each stitch is a little lamb. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my shepherd's hook. I'm going to stick it underneath the stitch. You see? It slides really easily under that little hole. And then I'm going to grab those two needles with my left hand. I'm going to wrap around, grab that sheep with my hook, and I'm going to pull it under the fence. And now I moved my sheep to the other side. So I'm going to try to get all these sheep under the fence and over to the other side of the field. Entonces vamos a mover estos puntos de la aguja izquierda a la aguja derecha. Y así vamos a poder ayudar a estos pobres corderos que están debajo de la defensa, de la reja. Y entonces lentamente vamos a agarrar el cordero. Agarro mis agujas con mi mano izquierda y uso el gancho para jalar el cordero del otro lado. Okay, under the fence, catch the sheep, back we come, off we leap. Under the fence, catch the sheep, back we come, off we leap. Okay, I only have 3 more sheep to catch, 3 more little lambs. Under the fence, catch the sheep, back we come, off we leap. Under the fence, catch the sheep, back we come, off we leap. Under the fence, catch the sheep, back we come, off we leap. And look, we did it! We moved all of the sheep from this side of the fence to the other. So now we have to actually turn our needle and look to see that there are more lambs, there's more sheep. They're stuck under the fence. We always have to put the needle back into the left hand after we've moved them to the right needle. Siempre tenemos que mover la aguja donde pasamos todos los puntos a la mano opuesta después de terminar esta línea. So after finishing this row, we're going to start another one. And so always make sure your tail is behind and you can see the loop on this stitch before we begin. We're going to stick it in just like before and catch those sheep. Okay, so every time we switch and finish the needle, the stitches on each needle, that's called a row. Well, that's the knit stitch. I hope that this video has helped you. Continue practicing until your stitches look even and you feel more comfortable with knitting. Espero que este video les haya ayudado. Sigan practicando hasta que tengan sus puntos más parejos y se sientan más a gusto con tejer. Nos vemos en el próximo video.